First problem, find the HCF of 168 and 264 by prime factorization method. We need to find out the HCF.
Given numbers are 168 and 264. So they said to find out the HCF of these two by using prime factorization method. So let us find out the prime factors of 168. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. Next is 264. 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 6 are 12, 1 left, 2 6 are 12. So 2 3s are 2 3s are 3 11s are 33, 11 1s are 11. So the factors of 168 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, and the factors of 264 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. Let us round up the common factors. So 2, 2, 2 and 3. These are the common factors. So therefore, HCF highest common factor is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So the HCF is 24.
Second problem, write log 81 plus log 64 plus log 5 minus log 72 in the form of log n. So they have given log 81, 64 plus log 5 minus log 72. This all we need to write in one log, in just one log, so log n.
Second problem, we have to write log 81 plus log 64 plus log 5 minus log 72 in log n form. So that means we need to combine this. We need to get only single log. So let us start. We know that the formula which we are going to use here is log a plus log b plus log c is equals to log a b c. So log a is 81. So 81 into log 64, that we will get 64 into log 5, that is 5, minus log 72. Now we are having two logs. Let us use another identity. Log a minus log b is equals to log a by b. So log 81 into 64 into 5 by 72. Now we can cancel this. If we use 12, or we can use 4 ones are 4, 3 left, 4 8s are 32. Next, 4 ones are 4, 2 left, 4 6 are 24. Next step will be log 81 into 16 into 5 by 18. So 9 2s are 18, 9 9s are 81, 2 1s are 2 8s are 16. So we will get log 9 into 8 into 5. So log 8 5s are 40. 40 into 9 is 360.
Third problem, write set a is equals to 1, comma 8, comma 27, comma 64, comma 125 in the set builder form. So in this problem, we need to write this set in set builder form.
Third problem, set a is equals to 1, comma 8, comma 27, comma 64, comma 125. These are nothing but the cubes of natural numbers. So 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, and 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. So these are the cubes. So we need to write in set builder form. So we can write A is equals to x such that of x is a cube of, we can say here P or Q. So let us write P. Let us assume these numbers are as P. So P belongs to N. Why? Because this is starting from 1. That's why the numbers which starts from 1 are called natural numbers. So that's why I am saying this P as natural number. So P belongs to N, and this P is less than 6. P is less than 6.
Fourth problem, prepare the following table to draw the line x minus y is equals to 5. They have given the values of x from -2 to +2. We need to substitute these values in the above equation and find out the values of y.
So the given equation is x minus y is equals to 5, and they are given the value of x is given. We need to find out the value of y. So let us substitute the values. -2 minus y is equals to 5. -2 goes to that side. So it will become minus y is equals to 5 minus 5 plus 2. So minus y is equals to 7. Now, if we multiply with minus, we get minus into minus plus, and plus into minus is minus 7. So, y is equals to minus 7. Next. Next is x minus y is equals to 5. X minus y is equals to 5, and the value of x is minus 1, minus y is equals to 5. Let us send this y to that side and bring this 5 here. Minus 1 minus 5 is equals to 5 y. Y is equals to minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6. So, minus 6. Next. Now we can substitute 0 here. So 0 minus y is equals to 5. Let us interchange this. 0 minus y is minus y is equals to 5. Let us send this that side and bring this 5 here. So we get y is equals to minus 5. Next. Next is 1. Let us substitute here. So 1 minus y is equals to 5. Y goes to that side. 5 comes here. So 1 minus 5 is equals to y. Y is equals to 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Next is 2. 2 minus y is equals to 5. Y goes to that side, bring this 5 here. So 2 minus 5 is equals to y. Y is equals to minus 3. So these are the values of y.
Find the value of k so that the pair of equations 2x minus 2x plus 5y minus 7 is equals to 0 and kx minus 10y plus 14 is equals to 0. These are the two given lines, and they said that these lines are represent coincident lines. So these lines are coincident lines. So by using the condition of coincident, we need to find the value of k.
2x plus 5y minus 7 is equals to 0. Kx minus 10y plus 14 is equals to 0. These are the coincident lines. So we know the coincident lines, if the lines are coincident, given lines are coincident. If the lines are coincident, then we know the condition, then a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. So a1 is 2, a2 is k, b1 is 5, b2 is minus 10, and c1 is minus 7, c2 is 14. So let us equate any two values. If we equate these two, we get 2 by k is equals to minus 5 by 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So 2 by k is equals to minus 1 by 2. Let us cross multiply. K 1 za k, 2 2 za 4. So 4 is equals to minus k. So therefore, k is equals to, multiply this 2 with minus 4. K is equals to minus 4.
Sixth problem, write all the subsets of set A is equals to 1, 3, 6. So there are three elements present in this set. We need to write the subsets.
Given in this set, A is equals to 1, 3, 6. So there are three elements in this set. So we can write 2 cube, that is 2 cube is 8. So 8 subsets are possible. So let us write, first set will be empty, next set will be the elements with the single elements. So 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 3, 6, and 6 comma 1, and finally we can write 1 comma 3 comma 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8.